Alright everybody, and hello and welcome back to the channel. Getting ready to start a new repair here. This is a Congo Bongo board set from Sega, which is really cool. At one point I had a Congo Bongo game and I liked it a lot. It's a total ripoff of Donkey Kong really, but it's pretty cool in its own way. So we're gonna, see what's wrong with this one, see what's going on, and go ahead and see if we can't get this thing working right. I have no idea what's going on with this thing. I have no idea what's going on with this thing, period. I don't know if this is the video board, CPU video, I have no idea. I know this is the sound board, this top board. So we will take this board set apart and kind of look it over and see what's going on, and I will have to put a harness together, of course, for Congo Bongo, and hopefully it's it'll work for other Sega stuff. I don't know, so we'll go ahead and move on from there and see what we're doing. Alright, I have my Congo Bongo harness together. I got the boards laid out. I had to make an interconnect for power. And I got it turned on and just got some garbage on the screen. CPU board issue. So I believe the first thing I'll do is just reseat socket or reseat chips. Reseat the CPU. Just reseat stuff. This is interesting. This says Tip Top. Like, I think this game was originally called Tip Top. It's very fascinating. I don't have the soundboard on it because really I don't need sound right now. I just want to get it working. So we'll go through, and I don't really care for these sockets, to be honest with you. Look at that one. Look at that right there. That's probably the whole problem. I'm going to have to go through and just freshen up and replace sockets on this board. Just do a socket job on this thing. So let me go ahead and just do that and then see where we're at. This guy right here I just pulled out of this socket, and this could be an issue too. This is a very tarnished chip. I don't even know what chip this is. So I am going to clean that chemically. I'm not going to scrub those legs. I'm just going to chemically clean it. And I'm going to replace both of these sockets as well. So let me get on that stuff and I'll be back. I used to have a Congo Bongo. I'm actually looking forward to playing Congo Bongo. So, alrighty, I will be back. Alright, and the socket work on this board is complete. I accidentally removed a RAM chip, thinking it was one of these sockets. So, one of the RAMs is socketed. And that one's new. These two are new. All of these are new. The 20 pin is new. That guy right there. And I cleaned this guy. I cleaned the legs on that chip. It was really tarnished. As well as this one. This was that one with all the tarnished legs. Looking brand new. And this is the RAM I removed from the board. So we'll put that back in the board. And yeah, let's hook it back up and see what we get. Alright, I got this board all repopulated, put back together. And Congo Bongo. This is a cool game. I like this game a lot. I had one of these years ago, and it was in one of them Sega, you know, the typical big, humongous Sega cabinets that weigh 1,000 pounds. And somehow I got that into my basement at the house I lived in, which was a narrow stairs going down. And I got that in and out of that basement myself. Goodness gracious, there's no way that would happen now. That's probably why I can't do anything without hurting my back. Stuff I used to do. So let's put the soundboard on this thing, and yeah, look at that. Tip top control. I'd like to do a little research on that. What is the deal with that? Was this initially supposed to be tip top, and they changed it to Congo Bongo, or what? How did that come about? I'm curious. I think that's an interesting story. But yeah, we got new ROM sockets, new sockets everywhere on this board. Make it nice and good. So let's throw the soundboard on here and see what we get. Alright, we got the soundboard on. We'll go ahead and fire it up. Ooh, I heard something. This does have awesome sound. Awesome. Alright, let's do our little play test. This thing does not come through very good on this monitor. It'd be better if I spent time adjusting it, but I'm not going to do that. So. Let me set up on the tripod and we will do some play testing. All right. And here we go. Sideways Congo Bongo. See ya. Oh, come on now. It's hard to play this sideways, and I don't want to. I'm not going to get in the habit of tipping the monitor one way and then back the other. I don't want to do that, so it is what it is. Let's play one more time. Darn it. What? Dead. I can't time that jump right. Having a hard time with that. Oh, come on. One more. One more try. I wish I still had this game. I wish I would have never got rid of this. Oh! Gosh. All right, that's it. Good enough. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Alright, in recap, what was the deal with this? Well, it just had a bad socket. I replaced all of the sockets on this CPU board, which they call a control board. So, yeah, I replaced all of the sockets on this, cleaned these tarnished chips. I will put window coverings over these two guys. Those ROMs, I'll cover those windows up. And oh, that's about it. Just maintenance mainly. So I'll let this thing run for cool. It went into a test. ROM test, okay. RAM test, okay. RAM. That was just pushing that button. Push it again, it does the same thing. That's like a RAM test. Test switch. Let's restart. I'm going to flip this. I did hook up service. And service switch doesn't seem to do anything. Oh, there. It reset it. Oh, it gave me a credit. Yeah. If I go up and down, it gives credits. Yeah, it's not so much a switch for going into test. It's a credit switch. Up and down gives you a credit. Cool. All right, guys. A quick one for you. Just maintenance. Sockets, nice and new connections. Should be good. I'll let it run for a handful of hours and just make sure it's nice and good. Thanks for watching. Shout out to all my Patreon supporters. Appreciate y'all, and we will see you on the next Classic Arcade Repair. Peace out.